Ever wonder how Tide makes those sparkling whites possible? Here's how they make green. Ever glance at a gleaming white shirt and wonder, how on earth did they get that so clean? The answer lies with Tide, the laundry detergent giant that's been keeping whites bright for generations. But beyond the stain-fighting magic, have you ever stopped to think, how does Tide itself stay squeaky clean financially? While Tide might be a household name, the business model behind it is anything but ordinary. It's not just about selling detergent at your local supermarket. So, buckle up and toss out any preconceived notions, because we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tide's money-making machine. From drab to fab, the allure of the premium price. First things first, Tide doesn't shy away from a premium price tag. Their detergents consistently sit at the higher end of the laundry aisle spectrum. But here's the thing, people are willing to pay for it. Tide has built a reputation for quality and effectiveness. Think about it, when you have a tough stain, you probably reach for Tide, knowing it'll get the job done, even if it costs a bit more. This brand loyalty translates to consistent profits. Beyond the bottle, a sea of additional services. But Tide isn't a one-trick pony. Sure, the detergent itself is a cash cow, but they've cleverly expanded their offerings to squeeze even more value out of their brand. For instance, Tide offers a variety of specialized cleaning solutions, from stain removers for specific culprits like lipstick or grass, to color-safe detergents for delicates. This caters to a wider customer base and creates a sense of having a complete laundry care system, all under the trusted Tide brand. The frictionless flow of cash, interchange fees. Now, this might get a little technical, but here's another sneaky way Tide makes money, interchange fees. Every time you swipe your card to buy that shiny new box of Tide, a small transaction fee is incurred. While it might seem negligible, with millions of Tide purchases happening every month, these fees add up significantly. It's a clever way to profit not just from the sale itself, but from the way people choose to pay for it. The subscription stream, a tide of recurring revenue. The subscription box craze hasn't escaped Tide's grasp. They've introduced subscription services where you can get regular deliveries of your favorite Tide products, ensuring you never run out and keeping that cash flow nice and steady. This not only guarantees recurring income for Tide, but also fosters customer loyalty by making laundry detergent one less thing to worry about on your ever-growing shopping list. The power of partnership, piggybacking on success. Here's a strategy that often flies under the radar: partnerships. Tide has teamed up with other big names in the laundry game, like appliance manufacturers. Imagine a washing machine preloaded with a special Tide detergent sample, or a dryer with a Tide cycle specifically designed for their products. These partnerships not only expose Tide to a wider audience, but also create a sense of brand synergy, further solidifying their position as the go-to laundry solution. The influencer age, riding the social media wave. Tide hasn't ignored the power of social media influencers. They've cleverly partnered with laundry bloggers and cleaning enthusiasts to promote their products. These influencers, trusted by their followers, can showcase Tide's effectiveness in real-life settings, creating a sense of authenticity and driving sales through targeted marketing. The innovation engine, staying ahead of the stain. Tide understands that stagnation is a recipe for disaster. That's why they constantly invest in research and development, churning out new and improved formulas to address evolving laundry needs. From tackling new stain types to creating eco-friendly detergents, Tide stays ahead of the curve, ensuring their products remain relevant and desirable for consumers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.